Welcome back! Now that you know how OSPF devices communicate and keep your network map up to date, I'll explain how OSPF organizes bigger networks with areas, how to choose the right OSPF version, and other factors to consider. In this second of a two-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll finish the basics of OSPF available on Catalyst 1300X series switches next. OSPF uses areas to help larger networks scale and stay organized. The backbone of every OSPF network is Area 0. You can create additional areas to limit unnecessary routing traffic and keep things running smoothly. Devices within the same area share detailed information, while those in different areas exchange only summaries, making large networks more efficient. If you're using IPv4, you'll use OSPF version 2. For IPv6, use OSPF version 3. So, who should use OSPF? OSPF is an excellent choice for organizations with medium to large dynamic networks that need reliability, scalability, and fast adaptation to changes. It's ideal networks with multiple routers and advanced switches like the Catalyst 1300X, where automatic rerouting and vendor interoperability are important. Keep in mind that OSPF isn't always the best fit. If you have a very small network, use legacy devices, or have limited CPU and memory, static routing may be simpler and easier to manage. Also, if you need the highest level of security, OSPF supports authentication via plaintext or MD5 only, which isn't as secure as newer algorithms. One last concept to cover is administrative distance, or AD. If a router learns about the same destination from different sources, such as OSPF, RIP, static routes, or directly connected networks, it uses AD to decide which route to trust. The route with the lowest AD wins. Directly connected routes have the lowest AD, followed by static routes, then dynamic routing protocols like OSPF and RIP. OSPF's administrative distance is 110, so it's preferred over distance vector protocols like RIP 80-120, but not as much as Cisco's EIGRP 80-90. That's a quick overview of the OSPF routing protocol and how it can help you build smarter, more resilient networks with the Catalyst 1300X switches. If you're ready to set up OSPF on your switch, click the link in the description for details. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.